This is Jessica with Lowe's, and I'm going to show you how to keep your push mower in top shape so next time you use it, it'll start right up and cut clean. Before you begin, here are a few general rules. Work on your equipment in a well-ventilated area on a hard, flat surface. Different manufacturers have different methods for preventing spills, such as running the mower until the tank is dry or placing a piece of heavy plastic under the fuel cap to cover the fuel inlet. Follow the instructions for your mower. Before you mow, always do a quick once-over. Check for loose fasteners and make sure the wheels turn freely and that the tires aren't damaged. Be sure that the grass catcher is clean and always check the oil level with the dipstick. Once you're finished cutting, prevent rust by brushing off the deck and engine and cleaning the grass catcher. Pull the spark plug wire aside and turn the mower with the air filter up. Scrape grass and debris from the underside, and if you have a self-propelled mower, several times a season clean the drive section. Now for some things to do at the end of the cutting season. First, disconnect the spark plug, turn the mower on its side and check the blade. If it's dull, damaged, or bent, replace it. To remove the blade, block the blade from turning and loosen the bolt. Take off the blade, bolt, and washers. Then the new blade is ready to go on. With the blade blocked, replace the bolt and washers and tighten. Then reattach the spark plug wire. Next, replace the oil. Run the mower for a minute to make it easier to drain. Turn it off, disconnect the spark plug, and remove the oil cap. Tip the mower air filter up and drain the oil into a container. You can rock the mower to remove any trapped oil. Once empty, set the mower down and wipe up any spills. Slowly pour oil in the fill spout, checking the level frequently with the dipstick. When full, let the oil settle for a few minutes and check again. Do not overfill. Retighten the cap and reconnect the spark plug. Then dispose of the old oil properly. Clean the air filter by removing the cover and gently clean the cartridge with a soft brush. If it's really dirty, replace it. To prepare the fuel system on a gasoline-powered mower for storage, follow the instructions for your mower and engine. Manufacturers may instruct you to run the fuel system dry or to store the mower with a full tank mixed with the fuel stabilizer. It's a good idea to replace the spark plug once a season. If you're storing your mower for the winter, to keep the cylinder lubricated, squirt an ounce of oil into the spark plug hole before replacing the plug. Finally, take a look at the muffler to make sure it's not badly rusted or loose. Then use some spray lubricant on the moving parts, like the handle mounting pins. Okay, now your mower is ready to store in a dry, clean place. And that's it. With a little bit of care and maintenance, your mower can provide you with years of reliable service.